If you've ever struggled to match your bank statements with your Zoho Books records, this video is going to make your life so much easier. Today, I'm walking you through a complete guide on how to reconcile Zoho Books, perfect for beginners and for anyone who wants to clean up their accounting workflow once and for all. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be reconciling like a pro. Reconciliation may sound technical, but Zoho Books makes it surprisingly intuitive. After this quick walkthrough, you'll understand exactly what to do and, more importantly, why it matters. First, head over to your browser and open Zoho Books login with your credentials. And if you use it regularly, it's a smart idea to bookmark the page for quicker access. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center. It gives you an overview of cash flow, receivables, payables, all, and recent activity, making navigation super easy. Next, locate the banking section on the left panel, click it, and you'll see all your connected bank accounts under active accounts. Choose the specific account you want to reconcile. Before moving forward, make sure your bank feeds are synced. This ensures every transaction is up to date and prevents confusion later. Now we're ready to start the reconciliation process. Inside the selected bank account, look for the option that says Reconcile Account. One click is all it takes to begin. Zoho Books will guide you step by step so you won't feel lost at any point. Before clicking Start Reconciliation, grab your latest bank statement. This is important. You're now going to match every transaction in Zoho Books with the transactions listed on your actual bank statement. Go line by line, check for missing entries, timing differences, duplicate transactions, or bank charges you might have overlooked. Zoho Books uses visual markers to help you spot mismatches fast, which saves a lot of time. Once everything matches and your difference is zero, you're good to finalize the reconciliation. And that's it. Regular reconciliation, whether monthly or weekly, keeps your finances accurate, simplifies audits, and makes tax time far less stressful. And that's your full guide to reconciling accounts in Zoho Books. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment if you want a deeper breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and powerful accounting tutorials. See you in the next video.